Now turning to testimony that continues today in Larry Milete's preliminary hearing.
So this morning, Maya Milete's sister-in-law took the witness stand for day 5 of this hearing, and she's giving us a glimpse of private conversations she had with Maya before she disappeared. That was nearly 2 years ago.
CBS 8's Kelly Hessedal stepped out of the courtroom for a moment to give us the very latest. Kelly, what have you learned so far?
Well, Genesis Tabalanza is married to Maya's brother, JR, and Genesis testified that besides being a family, Maya and her were also friends. They hung out together. They went on hikes together. In fact, Maya moved in with them for a period of time back in 2020. And Genesis says that Maya opened up to her. She confided in her about problems in her marriage.
She said that she needed space because as time goes by that she's away from Larry, it gives her a clear head, and that she want to stop lying, and she want the kids to not be exposed to that.
And Maya's sister-in-law went on and gave an example. She testified that Maya told her Larry doesn't like it when the kids eat in the car, but Maya would let them eat in the car when he wasn't there. And if they left a mess, Maya would lie and say, oh, it was me or one of my friends did that. Genesis says Maya told her there was a lot of yelling going on at the Milete home, that Larry's parents lived there, and she says Larry was always yelling at them, and Maya didn't want the children exposed to that. In fact, she says Maya told her Larry's temper was so bad he would punch the walls and leave holes behind that they would have to patch up so people wouldn't see them. Now, just as Maya was confiding in Genesis, Larry was too. Genesis testified during the time Maya lived with them, Larry was texting her a lot, sometimes as much as 100 times a day. Some of those messages were shown in court, and Larry wrote things like, every day I'm spent, every day is a struggle, I'm beat down to the bone. She testified Larry texted her about an incident where he followed Maya to work and confronted her and someone named Jamie who were inside a white truck.
He asked Jamie, what are you doing here in this vehicle with my wife? And then May just looked surprised and started crying.
Now, according to court documents, Jamie was one of Maya's co-workers. Now, Genesis testified that the same day this whole confrontation happened, Maya and Larry ended up back at Genesis' apartment where Maya had been staying. She was visibly upset. She was crying. She packed up all of her things that day and moved back in with Larry. Kelly Hessedal, CBS 8.